Turn on a Quack Eco Lamp.
Okay, the Quack Eco Lamp is on.
Okay, so what's going on, guys? It's me, Quang here, back with another video, and today we're going to unbox something really a bit suspicious. Let's see. Whoa. And this is not me hands-on recording. So, here it is. Our first smart home LED lamp. This is the LifX Z. This is the LED strip with 16 million colors, and it works with Nest, Apple HomeKit, which is really nice, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. And how come do I have not got a Google Home over there? Nothing. So yeah, let's get going, shall we? Here it is. Here's the clean surface cleaning wipe, and this is the instruction. Wow, wait, hold on, guys. So I hope you didn't see that. This is the never mind, I just have to pull this out. Oh, really sticky, isn't it? So here's the this is LifX code for HomeKit, which I'm gonna pair this up with later on. And here are all the instructions. You can cut this off if you want to. It says in the forum. I will show you up right here. You can cut the cable off. Don't ban it, of course. And here is the LED stripe itself. This is 1 meter long though. When you cut it, you can cut it like somewhere here. It is thread right here. You can also get this. This is the hub itself, and here another 1 meter stripe. This is 1 meter, so total of two of them is 2 meter. And here it comes with also the wow, that's a heck of long of a. This is where you connect the LEDs in, which I will do it later. And here is the controller for Apple HomeKit, and you just gotta plug this into the wall outlet. And here we have a bunch of wall outlets to choose from. This is the UK, this is the European plug, and there's no US plug though, unfortunately, but we have an Australian plug, which you install it like this, tucked neatly in place. This goes in with the plug to the hub, and here's the LED strip, which I will connect it. Oh, I forgot. Here's the US one. This. I'm gonna carefully plug the terminal in because I don't want to screw things over. I don't want to bend the pins. And it just fits perfectly. Let's go ahead, find outlet, and turn it on, and set it up via, you guessed it, HomeKit. So through filming magic, I have plugged this guy in and ready to go. Here's the controller. I might need a controller, and it goes through this like here, so I have to push and switch it on. Wow, look at that. Look how bright this thing is. It is really bright. But if I turn down the exposure, you will be able to see the individual LED. You see, it's kind of cycle between blue and yellow-ish. If you really take a look at that real close, you will see. Okay, so there it is. Here's the cut part. I might want to cut it later for my future project. So yeah, here's the LifX LED strip. This is a really good LED strip, and I will go ahead and set it up with HomeKit, and I will show you how. So after a moment later, here I have my iPad. It's running iPad OS version 13.1, and it's in the Home app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kick in the recording here as well. I know this is really redundant, but yeah, I'm just going to do it anyways. So I just have to tap Add Accessory, and when it comes up with the HomeKit setup code menu, I just have to scan the code into right here. There's the code, and wait for it to connect. But sometimes when the LifeX thing doesn't kind of work that well, then you might want to go to your LifeX app, which you go to the LifeX app. Hello. So when you go to the LifeX app, you tap sign in. You just sign in with your credentials. I have my own credentials, so Touch ID, and it signs in. Oh, what the hell is going on? And tap sign in. So once you're signing into your app, now what you can go to is you go to App Plus, and you hit Connect Lite, and now you hit LifX and HomeKit setup. Hit Get Started. Hit OK. And let's just wait for it. However, in some situations, you might get into this problem where you can't search for a light, and you just keep waiting, and you can't get your lights up and working. So you're going to tap Add Any Light, tap Get Started, and tap with access for the first time. I don't know, just allow using the app. So now let's go to Wi-Fi in my settings, which I'm going to tap here, and then I'll go to my Wi-Fi, which is a really bizarre Wi-Fi. And let's go and hit here. Wow, this thing's smart. It has accessories set up, and it's looking for my network for some reason. I don't know. I'll give it some time and it will work. And it's actually worked. You can only use 2.4 gigs network, not 5.0 gigs. So I'll change it to So this thing is gonna go in this Ecolamp project coming up, and you should see its full glory in the next few weeks, I should say. So now tap next, and it's joining the 2.4 gigahertz version of my network instead of the 5 gigs, because the controller does not support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, which is pretty sad if you think about it. And you see when it dims a bit, that means you're successfully joined. I mean, the light successfully joined, not me. I successfully joined to my my lamp system. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit peek on the LED itself. So LED still shining up like so. So it's joining, and I have to wait for a little bit. So I'll be right back with you guys. I'll let the screen record. Thing is just getting too hot, probably because I mount this for too long, and then it just act up really bad. Okay, my lamp's just finished updating successfully, so now I just have to pair it with Apple HomeKit. I just hit pair, and I tap Aussie Home. This is my home, which is Aussie, so Aussie Home. And now the light's gonna connect to Wi-Fi. I'm just getting the pad up and working. So let me go into the thing itself, shall we? Okay, so now you can see there's one here. That's the screen for the iPad, and here's what you see right now outside the live world. And the refresh rate was not really that amusing to me. I mean, really, it's not really that amusing. It's not really that amusing, actually. So, it's gonna take forever. So, I'll be right back. Yeah, and I'll charge my phone as well, because it's low battery at the moment. And I want it to be cool, not like really hot. Okay, so this is a little bit of a crappy camera I'm having right now. So there it is. I've successfully added the accessory in. So we have to change the room to my bedroom, and let's just hit next here. There, it just blinked. And I have to use manual focus because the autofocus is just kind of crappy. We have scenes. Let's just turn on the sleeve home, and there we go. Done. Now you can adjust the brightness, just like so. And look, the fun thing is that when you adjust your brightness here in your HomeKit, it's instant. It's react like instantly. And let's just say I want to change color. Yeah, it's just instant. It's really quick. It reacts really quick. Even if you change the color in the color wheel. Look at that. So that's HomeKit for an iPhone XS Max with a really crappy camera. I know, right? I don't have good filming equipment. I just only have my phone as a really good filming equipment, but I might be getting a filming equipment soon, so yeah. Anyways, see ya.